Kids TV. Hello friends, today we learn about letter L. Before that, let's view. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L is capital letter L, is small letter L. L for line, L-I-O-N, line. L for leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. L for lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Bye-bye. Kids, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.